Hi, this is Sean here from Pass First Time, Ireland's online driving school, and welcome to this video. In this video and in the next number of videos, I'm going to take a look back at some of the most popular videos we've recorded over the last couple of years. The content is still extremely relevant to you if you're doing a driving test, because nothing much has changed in the driving test in a long time. So this video is all about 10 tips that don't involve driving at all, but they're massively important. So watch the tips and watch out for a bonus couple of tips right at the end as well. Enjoy the video. Let's have a look in no particular order, 10 mega tips that don't involve driving. Here they come. Check your tax, insurance and NCT discs. Make sure your discs are in date and that they are legal. Don't trust somebody else who says, yeah, the discs are fine in the car. Check them yourself. Make sure they're all good. Next tip, check your L plates, front and rear L plates. Ensure they're the legal size and colour, not cut downs and not faded L plates. Next up, it is tyres. Tyres can be very easily a reason that an examiner will not take you out. The tread depth has to be more than 1.6 millimeters, no cuts or bulges. Tyre pressure must look okay visibly, so check all of these. Also, a mega tyre tip is to check the inside of the tyre. Turn the wheel out and make sure that the inside is not worn. Driving examiners will often check the inside of the tyre because tyres can wear unevenly. So make sure all your tyres are good to go on test day. Indicators and brake lights will be checked on every test. Bulbs can blow at any time, so make sure all your indicators and brake lights are working A-OK. From there we go to lights, this time inside the car. No warning lights on the dash. If you're in any doubt about a warning light, check it with your driving instructor or your mechanic. These are comfort items, kicking off with water. It's very important that you're not thirsty before you go in for your test. Be hydrated. Put the bottle of water in the car the night before, because under the stress and pressure of test day, you might forget it. Make sure you have a drop of water just before you go in for your test. Equally, if you drank a lot of water, maybe, you might need to use the bathroom. Allow yourself plenty of time to use the bathroom. Leading us to the next tip, which is be on time. Don't be rushing in late. That will add to your stress levels. Be on time so that it's a very relaxed procedure to arrive and go in for your driving test. Don't forget, learner permit and phone are the two items that are vital on test day to have on you personally. And the learner permit, ensure it's your learner permit, not your brothers or sisters or your aunties. It's in date, of course, and make sure your phone is charged and you'll be able to answer it when the examiner rings. After that phone call from the examiner, put the phone on silence or turn it off completely if you want. You do not want your best friend ringing you in the middle of the test asking you how you got on. Turn the phone off and you can ring them after and let them know you've passed your test because everything ran spiffingly. Couple of more mega bonus tips. These are two really good tips. If you follow these, you will pass. Number 1, stay calm. The calmer you keep, the better you will drive. And number 2, all you have to do to pass your test is drive safely. Put those together with the tips that we have given you over the last couple of minutes, and without even moving, you will go a long way to passing your driving test. Well, there you go. Hopefully you found those tips helpful and you will get to do your driving test on test day. The best of luck with it. Check out our website PassFirstTime.ie for lots more tips on your driving test, and we'll have another video coming very shortly, so like and subscribe so you don't miss any of the videos. Bye for now, and as always, safe motoring.